To the woman when cry in a silence, to the man we hide pain behind strength. Me bring this word, your love deep but your heart not feel be present. Love yourself first, love Jah only. Better Deh Deh Fi You. She give him all, body, mind and soul, but him turn round cold, play a different role. Him love fi control, not uplift. Break down her word, gift her no gift. And my brother to your silent pain, me see she say she love you, but deal treachery. Gaslight your truth, twist up the game. Me know your shame, but you no fi claim blame.
Loving deep no mean you're for drown. Let Jah be the anchor when love let you down. Attachment can bind you light. Let go the shadow, step into right.
Better Deh Deh Fi You.
Even though them broke you too, Jah guide when love turn blue. From ashes new life can renew.
Better Deh Deh Fi You. Them tell you ride or die but never ride for you. Them take advantage when you're true, but pain no define who you be. It shape the vessel for the destiny. Attachment blind, illusion sweet. Me see lion heart fall at pretty feet, but heart learn what eyes can't see, and soul grows strong in agony.
Let go my daughter, let go my son. The one who broke you may have to go for Jah to bring the real one.
You a temple, sacred ground. Let no abuser tear you down. If you open, you will find that all this pain was redefined. Better Deh Deh Fi You. Better Deh Deh Fi You. Let it go. Better Deh Deh Fi You. When them gone like show. Better Deh Deh Fi You. Love no fi be chain or cage. It fi be mirror for your soul stage. So take time, heal and pray. Jah go send the right one pon the way.
Better Deh Deh Fi You, even when your heart feel true. Better Deh Deh Fi You, pain a teacher, not a curse to true. Better Deh 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 Deh.
Better Deh Deh Fi You. Love yourself, love Jah. Love freely, but no sell your heart. Keep your soul intact, cause better Deh Deh Fi You.